Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back, boys and girls, with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 12th, 2023. We have already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. Sudoku, well, this one is a tough one, 4 stars. I will give this one. So 2 puzzles are left, the 4 stars. Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle, and this one will be number 7085. Here, 7085. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits, and it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row. So that means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's, 1 2 3 4, and 4 ones, 1 2 3 4. All right, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1 2 3 4 1, so rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1 2 3 4. So the rest are ones. 4 O's, okay. Between 2 ones comes in O. And here 1 3. Double O, here one, there one. 1 2 3 4 O, so the rest are ones. Come on. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Here we have interesting, this one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow! We solved it again. And I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.